The floor is yours.
Thank you. Dear Mrs. President and Mr. Vice President of the Global Forum, ladies and gentlemen. In this job of mine, I have the privilege of giving a lot of speeches about different topics and in different places. But it's really seldom that I get the double jackpot I have at hand today. First of all, I get to address an impressive international crowd of experts in digital society and ICT, which is also my own initial professional background. And secondly, I get to do it in my own home turf in Oulu, this being the region where I have spent the most of my life. I wish to welcome you all in Oulu, the capital of the Northern Scandinavia, and at the Global Forum 2015, on my own behalf and on behalf of the government of Finland. If I may give you a tip regarding Oulu, you will get by if you can small talk about ice hockey and if you understand engineering humor. By the way, the name of the ice hockey team is Oulun Kärpät, which is very easy name to remember. Ladies and gentlemen, the theme of the forum, digitalization from distribution to sustainability, is the most topical. At the forum, you will be touching about several key issues that are on my government's agenda and that are of great personal interest to me also. New innovation strategies, new approaches to healthcare, Internet of Things, intelligent infra, smarter regulations, cybersecurity, ICT in the Arctic perspective, and so on. To give you some background, so as where Finland stands in relation to these things at the moment. My government took office at the end of May this year. In the government program, we highlighted digitalization, experimentation, and deregulation among other objectives. We set a long-term objective of ensuring that Finland will make the best possible use of opportunities offered by digitalization. This will require flexible and creative thinking and new ways of doing things. Digitalization also has to be combined with dismantling unnecessary regulation and cutting red tape. We are all set to tackle these challenges. Why are we so determined regarding these objectives? Because the results of this work will not only bring about more efficient and productive public services, they will also help the private sector prosper. They will make for a better society. We in Finland realize that we were global leaders in developing ICT and related services in the beginning of the millennium. And yes, we are still going strong, but the world around us has changed and keeps changing. We must update and improve our knowledge and our performance. My government is committed to pushing this forward. We owe it to our citizens, the users of digital services. This calls for more interaction between the administration and the citizens, better decision-making and better management. This calls for a culture of experimentation and more efficient use of open data. Digitalization might technically consist of binary digits, but bringing it to life means that you also have to involve your heart and mind. And therefore, when reading the program of the forum, I thought if only I could stay here for the 2 days and follow your discussions, I'm sure they would be great food for my thought in my daily work today. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all 2 excellent days of good interactions and out-of-the-box thinking. Enjoy the Global Forum and enjoy Oulu. Remember the ice hockey, remember the engineering humor, and you will be fine. Thank you.